The Ansarallah Movement, Houthis, launched a powerful attack on an oil station inside the Saudi coastal city of Jeddah last night. According to the Ansarallah-aligned spokesperson for the Yemeni Armed Forces, Brigadier General Yahya Sare'a, their rocket forces fired a newly developed Quds-2 missile at the Saudi Aramco station inside Jeddah. Sare'a said the missile managed to hit its intended target, prompting the local civil defense units to rush to the scene of the explosion. In a video allegedly captured at the scene of the explosion, smoke can be seen billowing out from the Saudi Aramco station, as the person filming from a nearby roadway passes by. The Ansarallah spokesperson stressed that this attack on the Saudi Aramco station was in response to the Saudi-led coalition's land, air and sea siege that has been imposed on northwestern Yemen. He would add that the Ansarallah movement warns all those conducting business in Saudi Arabia to avoid these sites, as they are within distance of the Yemeni group's missiles. The Saudi authorities have yet to comment on this latest attack by the Ansarallah movement. However, this missile strike appears to be the second longest launch since the attack on the capital city, Riyadh.